Hello, we're going to see how to create WhatsApp channels. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. If you want to create a specific channel, create content, and send messages, I am going to show you how you can achieve this easily. In order to create a channel on WhatsApp, follow these simple steps. Open WhatsApp on your Android or iOS device and head to the Updates tab. Once you do this, you will find channels at the bottom right under the status section. You will then see a plus icon right beside the channel's text. Tap on it. That will reveal two options, create channel and find channels. Tap on create channel and then tap on the continue button to set up your new WhatsApp channel. Here, you can write the name of your channel and that's it. This is how you create your own channel. I hope this helped you and thanks for watching.